Good morning. My name is Prableen. Let's talk about yoga. Yoga is an Asian practice and meditation. It has become increasingly popular in today's society. For many people, yoga provides a retreat from chaotic or busy life. Yoga provides mental pay benefits. There are many types of yogas. One of the types is Hatha, which focus on pranayams. These are followed by a series of asanas which end with savasana. Yoga helps in better body image, boost weight loss, and helps in maintenance of body. It enhances fitness and it also helps to fight cardiovascular diseases. So yoga has many benefits in day-to-day life to maintain our body healthy.
Hello everyone, my name is Arshita Pal. Today I am telling you some benefits of yoga. Practicing yoga helps in controlling an individual's mind, body, and soul. It brings together mental and physical health to achieve a peaceful life. It reduces stress and anxiety and keeps you relaxing. Regular practicing of yoga can help you in improving your immune system, nervous system, and maintain a healthier lifestyle for you. Usually, doctors, nurses loves yoga because studies indicate that it can help the body to prevent from many diseases. For example, heart diseases. Yoga reduces stress, lower blood pressure, keeps off weight, and improves cardiovascular health. So it will automatically decreases the risk of heart diseases. If medicines have failed you, yoga might not disappoint you. As a person, fix regular yoga routine into your schedule. Do yoga regularly and it will maintain a healthier lifestyle for you. Stay home, stay safe.
My greetings to everyone. This is Pragya Sharma, and in this video I will be telling you about the benefits of yoga and its importance. Yoga is very important for people belonging to all of the age groups. It helps our body to become more flexible, it improves our body posture, and also helps in the blood circulation throughout the body, etc. Yoga is not a workout, rather, it is work in, as we do not heal just our body but also our inner mind. It helps us to cope with many mental illnesses as well, such as anxiety. Mind and body are so closely interlinked that by physically relaxing our muscles and by deepening our breath, we can help reduce the anxiety. It also helps in increasing the blood flow, balance metabolism, and protects our spine from any kind of injury. And the most important thing, that it helps us to reduce our weight. These were some of the mental and physical benefits that we get from doing yoga. And at the end, to sum up, I would like to state a quote that yoga adds years to our life and it adds life to our years. Thank you so much and have an active day.
Aside from the physical benefits, one of the best benefits of yoga is how it can help a person manage stress, which is known to have devastating effects on the body and mind. Yoga's incorporation of meditation and breathing can help improve a person's mental well-being. Regular yoga practice creates mental clarity and calmness, increases body awareness, chronic stress pattern, and relaxes the mind, centers attention, and sharpens concentration. Thank you.
The word yoga essentially means that which brings you to the reality. Literally, it means union. Union means it brings you to the ultimate reality where individual manifestations of life are surface bubbles in the process of yoga. The purpose of yoga is to build strength, awareness, and harmony in both mind and body. The relaxation techniques incorporated in the yoga can lessen chronic pain such as lower back pain, arthritis, headaches, and carpal tunnel syndrome. Yoga can also lower blood pressure and reduce insomnia. Other physical benefits of yoga include increased flexibility, increased muscle strength and tone, improved respiration, energy, and vitality, maintaining a balanced metabolism, weight reduction, cardio and circulatory health, improvement in athletic performance, protection from injury. Thank you.
Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, and to the self. This is written in the Bhagavad Gita. The main meaning of yoga is the union with the ultimate reality. When one's body is in sync with the intrinsic nature, then that is the main purpose of yoga. Yoga covers various physical, mental, and spiritual disciplines. There are many benefits of yoga, which firstly and most importantly includes body awareness. There is energy regulation. There is regulation of immunity system. That means we can have better metabolism. People have a lot of chronic diseases. They can get rid of those chronic diseases, various kinds of pains. Their sleep pattern gets regulated. Your energy levels would automatically be high, and your posture also improves. Furthermore, it will also be helpful in maintaining the balance and flexibility of your body. And in this time where coronavirus is at its peak, yoga can be very helpful. So we can say that yoga helps us to fall in love with taking care of ourselves, our body, our mind, our spirit. It shines the light of awareness into the darkest corners of the body. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Babita. My college name is Shri Guru Gobind Singh College of Pharmacy. आज हम बात करेंगे योगा और उसके बेनिफिट. योगा क्या होता है? योगा जो है एक आइडियल एक्सरसाइज है बॉडी और माइंड की, और हम क्यों करते हैं? फिजिकल, मेंटल, सोशल और स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट के लिए हम योगा करते हैं. हमें जो योगा है वो डेली 15 to 30 मिनट्स करना चाहिए. योगा में बहुत सारे आसन आते हैं, पद्मासन, शवासन, बहुत सारे, ठीक है. और उसके बाद हमारा जो योगा है, हमारी जो बॉडी को पीस देने के लिए, हमारा जो फोकस है स्टडी में, कंसंट्रेशन है, उसको इंक्रीज करने के लिए हम योगा करते हैं. हमारी जो बॉडी है उसको फ्लेक्सिबल, कैसे फ्लेक्सिबल होगी? जब हम आसन करते हैं तो उससे हमारी बॉडी स्ट्रेच होती है, तो उस कारण हमारी जो बॉडी है वो क्या होगी? फ्लेक्सिबल हो जाएगी, ठीक है. और उसके बाद किन किन के लिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं योगा करना? डायबिटीज़, जिनको प्रॉब्लम है, डायबिटीज़ मेलाइटस या किसी भी डायबिटीज़ की, उसके लिए हम योगा करते हैं. हमारा वेट लॉस के लिए हम योगा करते हैं कि जितना भी वेट है वो हम कम कर सके. किसके थ्रू? योगा के थ्रू, ठीक है. हमारी जो ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम्स है उसको भी सॉल्व करने के लिए भी होता है, ठीक है. ब्लड सर्कुलेशन इंक्रीज करता है, हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी देता है. ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम्स में आता है, ब्रीथिंग के लिए हम प्राणायाम हम कैसे करते हैं? उनमें बहुत सारी टाइप्स होते हैं, जैसे कि अनुलोम विलोम. अनुलोम विलोम कैसे करते हैं? हम यहाँ से ब्रीथ इन होल्ड करेंगे, यहाँ से फिर यहाँ करके छोड़ देंगे ऐसे. ऐसे करेंगे. थैंक यू एवरीवन.
योग और इसके लाभ. योग एक तरह से जीने का विज्ञान है, इसलिए इसे हमारे दैनिक जीवन में शामिल किया जाना चाहिए. योग हमारे भौतिक, मानसिक, आध्यात्मिक तथा आत्मिक सभी प्रक्रियाओं पर काम करता है. ये शब्द, धारणा और प्रेरणा हिंदू धर्म, बौद्ध धर्म, जैन धर्म की ध्यान प्रक्रिया से संबंधित है. योग सबसे पहले हमारी बाहरी शरीर पर अपना असर दिखाना शुरू करता है. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे मानसिक तथा भावनात्मक प्रक्रियाओं पर काम करता है. रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में आजकल के लोग बहुत तनाव से पीड़ित हो जाते हैं. योग उन सब से मुकाबला करने में उनकी सहायता करता है. ये समस्याएं योग से एक तुरंत तो नहीं चली जाती हैं, परंतु योग उन सब चीज़ों के लिए एक सिद्धि विधि.
Good morning all of you. Myself Kavita Pant, B.Ed second semester student, Government College of Education 20D चंडीगढ़. मेरा आज का टॉपिक है योग और उसके फ़ायदे. तो हम सबसे पहले योग के बारे में बात करते हैं कि योग है क्या. योग सही तरीके से किए जाने का विज्ञान है और इसलिए इसे दैनिक जीवन में शामिल किया जाना चाहिए. यह हमारे दैनिक जीवन में जुड़े भौतिक, मानसिक, आत्मिक और आध्यात्मिक सभी पहलुओं पर काम करता है. योग का अर्थ है एकता के सूत्र में बांधना. योग के दैनिक जीवन में बहुत सारे फ़ायदे हैं, तो हम उसकी फ़ायदे की बात करते हैं। पहला है योग शारीरिक व मानसिक उपचार। योग शारीरिक व मानसिक उपचार के सबसे अधिक ज्ञात लाभों में से एक है। योग से हमें अस्थमा, मधुमेह, रक्तचाप, गठिया, पाचन विकार और भी अन्य बीमारियों से चिकित्सा का एक सफल विकल्प है। ज़्यादातर लोगों के लिए योग केवल एक तनावपूर्ण समाज में स्वास्थ्य बनाने रखने का एक मुख्य साधन है। योग बुरी आदतों के प्रभाव को उलट देता है और हमें शारीरिक, मानसिक और आत्मिक व आध्यात्मिक शक्ति प्रदान करता है। धन्यवाद।
I, Sushmita Malhotra, roll number 2 of B.Ed second semester, Government College of Education, Chandigarh, is going to tell about few of the benefits of yoga. A sound mind in a sound body is a famous quotation by Thales, which demonstrates a close link between physical exercise and mental equilibrium. And what better than yoga to achieve this? That's why yoga is known as the internal as well as the external purification of a person. Whether you're a couch potato or a professional athlete or of any size, it does not matter because there is modification for every yoga pose. There are many physical as well as mental benefits of yoga. To state a few physical ones, it improves your flexibility, builds your bone strength, it perfects your posture, protects your spine, increases your blood flow, it drops your blood pressure, helps you focus, helps you get deeper sleep, and also many more. Aside from the physical benefits, let's talk about some of the mental benefits of yoga. The very important one is it helps to manage stress. As we all know, stress can have devastating effects on body as well as mind. With yoga, it helps in developing coping skills and reaching a more positive outlook of life. So we can incorporate meditation, breathing exercises of yoga into our lives. So there's no doubt yoga is gaining importance every day in all over the world.